Don't you just love it when videos work out? What is up with my internet in Guadalajara? I am telling you. Okay, so let's continue with our roller. Okay. So literally when I get up in the morning, I am stiff. I'm 57. Things don't work as easily as they should anymore. So I literally roll out of bed, brush my teeth, wash my face, throw on some clothes, and either go to Pilates, which is the Pilates Reformer, or a yoga class, or I have to, if I miss something for some other reason, things are canceled or whatever, I can't get there, I need to move on to something. So we're going to use the roller to relieve the whole sciatica, low hip, hamstrings, and quads. So this really, it's a matter about finding your balance on here, and then just shifting onto one cheek. Just finding where it feels really painful, and cross the legs and breathe. Then you're going to rock side to side, okay? Just breathe. If it's too much on the wrists, just come down. Easier said than done. Just come down onto those elbows. Also, I have blocks too, which I should have grabbed to put under the arm so you can see how that could be used. Just find that spot and breathe right there and just hold it. Ooh. And roll on to the other side when you've had enough. Okay, so those are ways to release that sciatica on both sides. Crossing that leg over in a figure 4 helps to release. Breathing is a must. Breathing is a must. Because if you don't, you will be cursing. Alright. So, you can also roll all the way down on the back. Just be really careful too. You don't want to arch the back too much, so just really be careful as you come on down. For me, I'm used to it because I do a lot of back bends and stuff, so it doesn't really bother me. But you really have to find where it's going to feel good for you. That feels good to me. This is a really good exercise too in low back stretch, so it just really depends. You just have to make sure that you're doing things according to your body that feel good. If it pinches, burns, and hurts, guess what? It's not for you to do. Alright, always make sure this is engaged, yeah? You're engaging that pelvic floor. When you start doing any kind of exercises, especially since you have been immobile, it's very important to try to feel your muscles. And how do you do that? By breathing and focusing on those muscles. Closing your eyes, taking a big deep inhale, finding that muscle, engaging it, saying, hello, stranger, how are you? Nice to meet you again, like we all do. Alright, let's work on those quads. Same thing, you really don't want to roll onto the knees or onto, well, you can roll onto the belly if you want to. It's just really up to you. It does help with digestive system. So I just crawl, let it roll onto the tops of my knees. Oh, Lordy. All the way to my pelvic floor. Here, my child. Oh my God, child of the corn. Him and his gaming. Why can't we make millions if he's gonna game all day? Why? Why do you have to be here making noise on my video? Why can't you be making millions gaming? I don't know. All right, that's the quads, okay? You can also do that side, ooh, that side. So, when you go into acupressure, oh my God, that side, okay, that's where your pressure points are on that side. That's where all your bullshit is, really. The junk in the trunk, all those emotional crap that we hold inside when we're driving, for those hours people are pissing us off. So, ooh, see that leg slowly straighten out? I'm on that spot that I just want to, curse, and more cursing. So, breathing's important. So, if you can handle it all the way down the leg, I would totally do that to relieve a lot of stress and tension. And then after you do that, I would either go into a jacuzzi, hot sauna, hot bath, with probably some Epsom salt, some baking soda really helps relieve some muscle tension. and finish detoxing. A lot of lemon water, a lot of lemon water. You can ice it, great, wonderful, juicy, yummy. In the morning, first thing in the morning, warm. Lemon juice, maybe with a dash of honey. All right. We're gonna stop here because YouTube is really picky about how I upload my videos. Especially if I do too many in one day. So, that is a little bit of our stretching with our roller. Please post any questions or comments, and then I can work from there to see what else you need. I'm going to show you part 3 of a roller. Actually, part 2 of the roller. Part 3 of stretching. Ooh, thank God I'm a professional. Just kidding. I'm a human. Remember, it's yoga practice, not yoga perfect, okay?